Mama? Huh? It feels like we're in Thailand. Look at it, we're on the beach. Huh?
It may look like a beach, but we're actually in Bonneville.
Wow, huh?
At Worlds Apart, the river.
Yeah.
And we're very excited to be here.
We're here for the Sip and Savor Festival. It's a wine festival and we're in the Robertson area.
Yeah.
So it's wine area, Mama.
Yeah. This weekend it's going to be 1 o'clock all the time.
1 o'clock.
Wine o'clock.
Oh, 1 o'clock. I thought you said 1 o'clock.
No, 1 o'clock all the time.
I just wanted to say, yeah, half past wine.
Yes, 1:30. There's so much exciting stuff happening at Worlds Apart.
It is beautiful here,
Oh,
I must
goodness,
say.
it's so nice.
Huh?
You can camp, you can glamp, you can stay in a house. They've got a little restaurant bar area. Let's start at the bar area.
And guess what we're going to do? We're not going to camp.
No,
We're going to glam.
glamp.
We're doing it together, hand in hand, across this beautiful rainbow land.
Mama, you want to go to the bar again?
Yes, let's
Huh?
just show them. It's not open yet, but
Oh.
it's a nice place where you can relax and have a drink and have
Okay.
a braai.
So it's not open yet?
No, I don't see anybody here.
Okay. Well, apparently they're fully booked for the weekend.
Yes, fully booked.
So I'm sure they're going to open.
Yeah, look at how nice this is.
Wow.
Thailand, exactly.
I'm telling you, on the beach, huh? Just, this is Thailand vibes, huh?
I'm going to take off my shoes.
Mama, there's your lazy chair as well.
Lazy sunbed.
Sunbed.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Sure.
Look at this nice lapa.
This is going to be so nice
Oh, wow.
to cater here, huh?
You can have a drink, you can have
Yo.
a braai.
But I wonder if
there.
they're going to open this. It
I'm
doesn't
not
look like
sure.
it. It doesn't look like it.
I wonder if you can use it.
Yeah, I think you must rent this.
Oh.
Because look at that, there's no drinks at the bar.
Oh.
So I think you can rent this. Or you
Yes,
can just come and
have a
cater
party
here.
here.
You can just come and sit
Yeah, a
here.
birthday party or something
Yeah,
will be
yeah.
nice. Wow.
Oh, this is so cool.
Very
And look at it,
nice.
it's on the water, huh?
On the water.
On the river.
I know there's a swimming pool and a lot of
Yeah,
stuff.
we'll
We'll
show
go
them-
show them that later, but let's go to our accommodation.
Yeah, let's
It's
do
only
that.
one of a kind, this glamping.
that the only one?
It's the only one that looks like this one.
Okay, but there's a lot of other accommodations as well.
Yeah, but come. Come on, Annie.
Mama, what are you doing?
Come light the fire.
Oh, I see it's a fire
I'm
pit
left
here.
for a choppy.
Yes, they really have got space here for lots of people, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, look at
Very
this.
nice.
This is so nice and big.
And there's also canoes. I think you can hire them and you can go on the river.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Ah, right there in the corner.
But we're not going to have time to go on the river.
No, the wine.
It's just
wi-
wine,
there's-
whiny.
There's wine that has been consumed.
Liters of it.
Oh, Mama, stop it.
Hey?
Do. Look at that. Ooh, accommodation, Poppy. We're back in the glass box.
Oh
Huh?
my word. Let's go see what it's all about.
What's going on? We love the glass houses these
Yeah,
days.
this is the safari villa
Yeah, lekker.
on the beach.
It's like a tinted roof,
Yeah,
but it's a building.
yes.
Well, it's actually just glass.
It's just glass.
Yo, nice.
Okay.
I like the feeling it gives you.
Yeah.
Huh?
So you've got your own private braai,
Lekker.
'n lekker bankie om by te sit.
And a fire pit. And
Yeah, if you don't want to braai in that, you can do a
Yeah.
fire pit.
So we've got friends coming over that's going to come and camp here.
Yeah,
Why
with-
is this wind coming up
With
now?
ocean view.
What the hell is wrong with this wind now? Huh?
Oh.
Jeez, is there a storm coming? But anyway, we've got friends coming over. They're going to come and camp here.
Yeah.
So we might braai here tonight. I don't know.
Yes, let's see.
I thought maybe we're going to braai with them tonight.
Yeah.
But this is just ridiculous. This
Very
is so
nice,
nice.
very
yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so come see where I'm staying.
I hope it's not just you.
I've invited a very special friend. His name is Henny.
Oh,
Come on, Henny.
right,
So
Mama.
you've got your own little deck here,
Oh, nice.
and then some chairs that you can chill
Sit
out.
and chill and
Yes,
I'm
have
sure
a
we're gonna have a little bit of a monster here just
I'm
now.
sure, I'm sure,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
The wine is only for tomorrow.
Oh yes, and we must be sure not to take too much tonight. But what do you always say? The first night is
we go
always
big. We go big.
yeah.
Mama,
Okay.
this is so nice and spacious in here, huh?
Look at this.
Jeez, look at this.
One big bedroom.
This is
And-
just glass
Glass.
all around you. Look
And
at
you
this.
know what? If it's a nice summer day, all these doors open up. There's a door opening up. Those doors
All
open up.
sliding doors.
All sliding doors.
My goodness. So you,
So that's
you can actually
nice.
use your room
Yes.
as just a canopy. You
Yes,
can open everything.
everything up.
And this is just your roof.
Yeah, and you can sit here, have a
Ah.
nice relaxing, another
Oh, they've got two
brandy
chairs.
and Coke.
Yeah, normally they only put in one chair. Huh? All these places.
Some places.
Yeah, when it's small,
Small.
They only put in one chair.
But I like the two chairs.
That's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Not that we're gonna have time to sit, but
no.
anyway.
Okay, so now you've got the little
Oh,
kitchenette
my love.
here.
Sorry, I'm interrupting you. Look at the animals.
Yeah, it's
Look at the elephants, huh? Wow.
Beautiful. It feels like
We're in
you're
the-
in Thailand.
No, that's not a Thailand elephant. That is
I
a
must say,
That's
the
a-
elephants look very different in Thailand.
That's a proper South African
Yeah.
elephant.
Yeah. Okay, so they give you ice bucket and a kettle. They give you coffee plunger. I'm sure
There's coffee in there.
this is like coffee, tea, sugar.
Oh, that's it's
a
three in one. Yeah. Okay.
And then there's a cutlery and crockery and there's glasses. I saw wine glasses,
Oh,
brandy glasses,
that's a.
whiskey glasses,
Okay.
There's a-
sorted. toaster.
braai tang, there's a toaster.
No braaibak?
I don't see a braai bar.
What is this side? That's just a big plate. Oh, there's no braaibak.
There's no braai bar.
Okay.
Okay, so
Steve, I'm just saying, we're gonna braai tonight. We need a braaibak.
Yeah.
Just saying, Steve.
but luckily we've got friends that's got a caravan that's they have everything inside.
Yeah, it's equipped, so
Yes.
we'll have a braaibak there.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now a nice big bed. I'll do it very nice and stylish.
Mama, this is just once again. This is almost like Thailand.
Yes.
The low bed
Yeah.
and the wide bed.
Very
huh?
wide bed.
Jeez.
Tonight we're gonna sleep here.
In the middle.
In the middle.
And is it soft? Is it?
No, it's quite.
hard?
It's a hard
It's firm?
bed. It's firm.
Oh,
It's a firm bed.
firm. Too firm?
No, it's nice.
Is it
It's
right?
like a futon type of thing.
Okay,
I
okay.
see. Yes.
And rolled up towels.
Towels, okay.
Huh.
And then you've got your own bathroom. Let's go in this side. Luckily, there's not glass all over
Oh yeah.
because there's campers on the other side.
Yeah, they're all camping here.
Yeah. So first,
But Lizanne,
This is
for
the
the people, sorry, for the people that's shy,
Yeah.
there's blinds here.
Blinds
So
everywhere.
you can, look at that.
Yeah,
you
so
can,
if
you
you
can close
go-
the whole place.
and if you go to sleep, you actually pull it
Yeah,
down because
yeah,
otherwise
yeah.
tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock when
You're
the
gonna
sun
be
starts
awake,
getting
yeah,
up, you
yeah.
sitting
Okay,
in
so that's
here.
cool. So
Yes.
you can just open and they close, all of them close. Yeah, I see.
everybody, everything.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay, then
I
there's
just
a
want to
little.
open here for some light. Okay.
Okay, then there's a little bit of extension in here of the kitchen.
In the bathroom.
Yeah. There's a nice big fridge freezer
Okay. Oh, ice.
and very
Whole bag of ice.
yeah. I'm so very glad about all this
Lekker.
ice.
'n twee-plat stoofie.
A 2-plat stoofie and there's a potjie if you want to use it.
Oh, that's a big pot, huh? Wow.
It's only for 2.
What are we going to do with this pot?
Nothing. We're gonna braai.
Hey, and there's a cutting board, Mama.
There's a cutting board, and if you see at the back of your,
Oh, that's the cupboard.
there's a cupboard with the hangers, and yeah, this is part of the bathroom.
Yeah, I just
So-
wanted to say, so this is all part of the bathroom.
Yeah,
then.
so turn around,
Turn around.
and then you can see his and hers.
Oh,
Yeah,
2 basins.
2 basins.
I didn't even see that just when I came in now.
very nice. 2
Wow.
basins.
Okay.
So while you're
Big
busy,
mirrors.
I can also brush.
Ja, en 'n lekker big
And a big
instapstort.
shower, yeah. And I can
Sure.
see it's gonna fit you.
Will it?
Yeah.
Ja. Ja, pragtig.
Prachtig nie.
I was skeptical in the beginning, but yeah, now it's
lekker.
yeah, lekker.
Yeah.
And,
And-
you see, this is part of the tent.
Tent, yeah.
But this thing can zip open. No, it can't.
No, you
I
can't
just-
open it because there's people camping there.
But they must look other way.
No,
If I want to do an outside shower, I can do it.
no, not here. Okay, and then there is the potty on the one side.
Okay.
Yes.
Lekker man, we're going to enjoy this weekend. This
Yo,
is
it's
going to be
gonna
nice.
be nice.
Yeah. Now we must just wait for our friends to come.
Yes.
And then then the party's going to start, Papi.
But I think before they come, let's do a shout out.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
we can do that.
Because I need a little bit of a lift.
Lift. Mama, then I must go and unpack first.
Yes.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
I'll say, my love. Now, like they say, now the shit's going to start.
Oh, my goodness. Remember, you said you're going to take it slow.
Slow today because tomorrow is going to be
It's
the
a-
big day.
That's the big day.
We just had somebody here that came and say hi. They recognize us, and he said, "Well, are we going to make a noise tonight?" I said, "No, we're not going to make a noise because we're going to take it slow tonight.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow is the big night.
Promises.
Promises. But anyway, Mama, we're spicing it up this weekend. Look at this,
Yee.
Buffelsfontein, Papi. Huh?
Lekker.
We don't get sponsored. Don't worry. Sometimes I like a Buffelsfonteintjie.
Yes.
And I also like a Wille Bees. So, I drink all of them. But this morning I walked into Tops and I saw this on a special and I thought, hey, let's
Try
kom ons
it.
bederf onsself met 'n
Hey,
Buffelsfonteintjie.
lekker.
And we want to do this shout out today for Hassel Car Wash and Coffee Shop. People,
They understand.
they're in the Strand, yeah. Hassel Car Wash, they're in Main Road. Those people, they look after us like crazy. Our cars are always clean. They clean it inside, outside. They polish the wheels.
Yes, yeah.
You like that?
I love that
and
part.
She loves it when she gets in and everything, a dash, everything is
Oh,
polished.
Shiny.
So Hassel Car Wash, thank you very much. This one is going straight to you.
Yeah, it's
In the
very
Strand.
nice. If you wash your car there, you can sit at the coffee shop, have a coffee, take away, eat something, and they're quick.
Yeah,
It's like a few
takes like
people
40
working
minutes.
in the one car.
Yeah, I
so-
think they've got 5 people working in
Yeah.
one car. Yeah, it's
So
quite
it's
nice.
nice.
Yeah, so it's not a long
Yeah.
story. I say, my love, look at this. I forgot. It's half a glass. You see, my hand slipped.
Oh my
I forgot
goodness.
to be gentle.
Yeah, so please don't mix up the glasses.
No, yours is much
okay.
better. Yours is much better.
Yeah, there's a lot of ice in as well.
I just said we're going to take it slow, and now I'm just going it again.
I
no,
just-
I don't know. I'm going to put this into the ice.
yeah.
Nazai, cheers.
Okay, on Hassel.
Hassel, Car
Car
Wash,
Wash.
Strand. Thank you, you guys. You guys are amazing keeping our
Excellent
cars clean.
service.
Yeah, fantastic. Cheers.
Yeah, please go and wash your car there.
I'll put all the details on the screen now. It's a 4 slicky again. Woo! Puppy. What do I look like? I don't even know. I feel
What
like
do you look like? A henny this weekend.
yeah, but I feel like my hair is like all over the show. I
But
look
that
like
is
a
a
gollywog.
henny.
huh?
A henny is a mad one.
Is that the mad one? Is
That's
it full
the
moon
mad
tonight?
one.
I don't know. I don't
Doesn't
know if it's
matter. So while you're busy talking, tell them about that nice vehicle standing there.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so excited, people. We are so proud to be associated with Rolla Ford Robertson. I'm telling you, that branch is amazing.
Yes.
They have won 2023 and 2024. They've
Yeah.
won the National Branch of the Year.
Yes.
In-
Cheers to that.
Yeah, two years in a row.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's very good.
And Hannes organized this car for me from Robertson. Thank you very much. When he heard we're coming to the festival, he said, hey, I'm going to give you a car. And it's a brand new, it's a demo model, but it's got like 1,500 kilometers on it. It's the brand new Ford Everest Sport. Julle?
It drives like a dream.
Yo,
It sits like a dream.
I'm telling you, you guys know I'm a Toyota guy. I've been driving Toyota Fortuner since 2007. I've had all of them. All I'm going to say is I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I'm so impressed. I'm not going to knock anybody because I still love my car, but this thing drives so soft.
Oh.
It's like a ship. It's so quiet inside.
Quiet inside.
That was just amazing.
Spacious inside.
It goes through its gears like.
Yeah.
It's,
But we're not going to say everything now. You're going to do
I'll
it
show you.
in depth.
I'll show them the car
Review of
tomorrow.
the car.
I'll show them the car tomorrow.
Yes.
Just before we go to the festival.
Yes.
I'll show them the car. Another thing that this branch do for their customers, they don't just service Ford motors.
Yeah?
They service all makes and all brands.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice.
So that's quite nice for a small
Yes.
little town.
Yeah.
So if you've got a whatever car, you can
Ex-
take it to them for a service. Yeah.
Excellent
That's very, very nice,
service.
yeah. And they've been going since 1963, Papi.
Yeah. And what is their motto?
Mama, now you ask me, and I'm sure you know. I know. Their motto is, and it's actually, I'll never forget this because when I heard it yesterday, I thought, wow, that's actually so cool.
Yeah.
It is, service is your best salesman. Huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That means
Good service is your best salesman, and
Yeah.
that's so, so true.
because when you buy something, you always want that after service.
Oh.
That's most important.
Yeah, and it seems like yeah, you're gonna get it. But
Yeah.
I am so impressed with this car. I'm just yeah. Anyway, my love, we're gonna drink this drinky now, finish it, and then we're gonna walk around a bit and see what's to see because I want to show them these little tents here as well that you can rent.
Nice.
And then I'm sure our friends are gonna be here within the next half an hour because
Yeah.
they left just after 2.
But there's also a swimming pool. We don't have a hot tub this weekend.
Yeah, there's no hot tub.
But I know there's a nice swimming pool.
You're
and
gonna
there's
swim.
a river.
You're gonna swim.
Now I'm just gonna check it out.
You brought our swimming trunks, so we might go
I
in
don't
there.
know, the water
Hey,
is not hot.
after 10 of them tonight.
I'm gonna be hot.
We might go and do a skinny dip tonight in full moon.
Better chances to go into the river.
And we can do that as well, yeah.
Okay, so let's just show you all the places before it's getting full.
Yeah, because the people are coming in, I
Yeah. I think everybody's here for the wine festival.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
like definitely here for the wine
Yeah.
festival.
So it's quite nice. This is a camping area, and then you get this,
Yeah, each
2
camping
chairs
area has
and
got their
own braai.
own little braai area.
and you look
That's-
at the river. That's very nice.
That's very nice, yeah.
And then there's some of these tents.
This is this like glamping? This
yeah,
is, you-
it's also like glamping.
yeah, when you haven't got a tent or something, or you don't want to do all the trouble of pitching a tent, you
Yes.
can just rent one of these.
Rent one of these. I'm gonna open it.
Yeah, I hope
quickly.
there's nobody in there.
I hope so too. Oh wow!
Huh?
It reminds me of the Philippines.
Oh yes.
Look at that.
Mama, it's exactly like the Philippines.
Yeah,
we
look
were
at
there,
that.
yeah, on that island.
Yeah, very nice.
My goodness.
Wow.
Wow, little desk as well.
Yeah, some lights.
Sure, and the lights, yeah.
No,
This is so cool.
quite comfortable.
Also a low bed, you see.
Yeah.
It's a Thai bed.
It's a toilet. And then you also have your own braai and
yeah,
and your
they've also got
sitting
their
area.
own braais. How many of them are there? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them.
And at the back there's also one.
Hey?
At the back there's another one.
Another one at the back.
Daai kant.
Wow. Oh, there. Right at the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, this
That's
is where
nice.
all the tents and the camping area is. And if you go on, we're gonna see where the swimming pool and stuff are.
I think the swimming pool is through there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
there.
yeah. You see there's big grass
Wow, it's nice.
areas there. Yeah.
There's a lot of lights hanging there.
Yeah.
They also have builded houses. I think
Yeah,
there's
yeah, yeah.
2 builded
There's
houses.
cabins as well. There's wooden cabins as well.
Cabins as
Yeah.
well.
So they've got lots of accommodation. Mama, don't you?
Different
When you
ones.
see all the people setting up their camps,
No, no.
don't you feel like camping?
No, thank you.
Huh?
No,
Not
thank
yet.
you. No, you see what
I'm
we
still
are
gonna
doing.
get there. Don't worry. I'm
Everybody's
still
building-
gonna get there.
It's going to take you another 20 years.
And then I'm dead.
And then you.
Look at the lights, my love.
I told
Huh?
you.
Wow.
Tonight
This
is
is
the
gonna be a
night.
beautiful walk in the evening. And look at the roses.
It's like a reveal.
My
Going
goodness.
through the Garden of Eden, and then what do you
Oh my
get?
Garden
what
of
do
Eden.
You get?
Woo.
I can see it's going to be lovely.
The Garden of Eden, don't the people walk around naked? There was a series on the TV.
After Eve took the apple.
Oh my word.
Yes, I told you.
What is this?
Look at it. Come.
Look at this.
It's another beach.
What is this?
It's a beach bar.
Huh?
Wow.
Goodness.
Jeez. I hope they're going to open it up this
This
weekend.
is amazing. Yo.
Gee.
Huh? This feels like an island vibe.
Yes.
And I'm sure they play beach volleyball here.
Yeah, maybe in the summer they put up a net or something.
Yes. See,
Jeez, it's nice.
look at this. This is so cool. Mama, I'm sure you can rent this whole place out for a big function.
Or a wedding, jy?
Yo.
A nice bohemian wedding.
Look at this.
Oh man.
My goodness.
Crazy.
But there's no drinks here, so it doesn't seem like they're going to open.
Oh yeah. But look at this.
Oh,
There's
huh?
the swimming pool.
There's a swimming pool, yeah.
And then they've got this nice sunbeds again that you can
Yo,
lie on.
this is
If
cool.
you don't like the river vibe, come to the swimming pool.
Yeah, my love, this is like a resort vibe, huh?
Yes, very nice.
Jeez,
Oh goodness, I'll have a wedding here.
I'm telling you.
What about we baptize the 2 little daughters here?
We can do that, why
Yeah,
not?
have a nice big party. Invite everybody that wants to come.
Why don't we just have a moer of a party tonight?
Let's
And
do
then we
that.
get that out of our system.
Okay. That can also work.
Oh, lekker. Yes, but it's nice here,
Oh,
huh?
yes.
Wow. I would love it to drink a lekker cocktail or something here. huh?
Cheese. Yeah. Strawberry
Yes.
daiquiri come my way.
This is so nice, but I still want to know when they open this. Huh?
I think it's for functions.
Function, but it can't only be functions.
Why not?
I don't know. I think they're going to open tonight. I don't. Well, then they would have set up already.
Yeah,
so yeah.
I see a big ice bucket there, so
I
I
see
think
that,
it's
yeah.
for functions.
Aye, it's a pity. It's a pity.
You can come here with your
Own drinks and sit
and
there.
sit here. I think we
and
must do that.
We haven't got our bathing suits here, but we can always go nudie
Hey,
here.
I've got my bathing suits. Like a
And right
tan.
there's Bonnievale. You see there's the town
Oh
there.
yeah,
Yeah. It's a bit far, but Bonnievale is there. Huh,
nice.
so it's close.
Yeah. Woo.
When I saw this now,
Yeah.
I just realized we've been here before.
Sure.
Many years ago, we've been here before.
Me and you.
Me and you.
I can't remember a thing.
And we stayed in the fisherman's cabin.
Oh goodness.
Look at that. This doesn't look familiar?
To me.
Yeah,
No.
many years ago. We stayed here.
Wow. No, I can't.
We stayed in this
remember
cabin. We were here for the Wine on the River festival.
that. And we worked
And
here.
we worked here and we booked this. Yeah. We stayed here.
Goodness.
My goodness, I can't believe it's the same place.
My word.
Huh? I'm not going to go in there. I don't know if there's people.
Yeah, I think.
But we
there's
stayed
maybe-
in this little wooden cabin.
Oh my.
You remember now?
Now I remember.
Now you remember.
When I saw that stoop area.
You remember
I
now?
Remember.
Huh? Yeah.
My word.
We had a party that evening on the stoop.
I remember this.
Yeah, this is
now.
long time ago. This is like 10 years
Yeah,
ago,
very
10,
long.
15 years ago. Wow.
My goodness. And there's some more camping areas down here.
Yeah, this is the ablutions. Yeah, here's all the potties. And the basins and the showers. Very neat, huh? Yo. Ooh. It's very clean and very neat.
Oh.
Nice.
Hey, dancing all alone.
Hey!
Oh, I love your shirt.
Huh? How cool is this?
You. It's got all the provinces on that we still want to visit.
Look at this.
Oh.
And I want to not do a shout out, I just want to thank Douglas Small from Port Elizabeth.
And what's the other name?
Mama, you know I can't say that.
Kebega.
Bega.
Yeah, that one.
I'm scared my
Yeah.
my ara gaan weer wys. Bega. Yeah, I want to Douglas, thank you very much. I love it when our subscribers give us presents like this and take initiative
Yeah.
and do something special.
And
did you
it's
see,
so
Mama?
creative.
Did you see? Thailand is right
Yes,
at the
I
bottom.
saw that.
Look at that. Thailand is right at the bottom.
That makes me so happy.
And you know what is the best part of this t-shirt?
Yes, show me.
Look at that.
Look at that.
There's a
So-
QR code at the back, so you,
Yeah.
when we're at the festival or something, you just scan it.
Yeah.
You don't have to talk to me. You just scan it and you subscribe
And you
immediately.
subscribe, yes.
Yeah,
Let me
lekker.
show them again.
That is so cool.
Oh, nice.
So you scan that code, you go to our YouTube channel, and you just subscribe. Poof, and you watch
Wow.
all our videos. That's cool, huh?
Goodness.
I like technology.
Yes.
Thank you,
That's
Douglas.
thinking out of the box.
Yeah, thanks, Douglas. It's a nice present. Thank you very much. Our friends are stuck at the road works, just outside of, I think, Worcester,
Oh.
Nijvellei or somewhere.
Goodness.
We came the other way around. So I'm just lighting the fire so long.
Yeah, for
I can't-
ambiance.
You know me, I can't do anything without a fire. Luckily they gave us some wood so we can make lekker fire, and I brought some wood as well. And
And
I'm sure Andre is also going to bring some wood.
And I see you also brought your own braai lighters again.
You know that. And I've
Never
got
leave the home without braai lighters.
and I've got a surprise for all of you. Talking about braai lighters, I will spill the beans in maybe an hour's time.
Oh goodness. We've on a timeline now.
Hey, here they come. Finally, huh? Yo! Hello. Lekker, man. Hi guys, we're interrupting this video because we're so excited. As we drove back home from this amazing weekend, we got a freaking shout out, huh? Can you
Yes.
believe it? So he just missed us.
Yeah.
We're happy to do it for them. Tyron and Kelly Romans from Romans Consulting in Garden Route.
Yes.
Huh?
And they've been going for 27 years.
Wow.
What do
it's
they do?
It's quite an established business.
Yeah,
Huh?
what do they do?
They're in the health and safety and consulting business.
Yes.
For 27 years, as you said.
And not just in the Garden Route, they operate in Eastern Cape, Western Cape, Gauteng.
And the big Gauteng, yeah.
all over.
Yeah, very nice. You will find them at this website at the top here. This is their website. So please go and visit the website, check out what they're doing, and you know what? They might just help your business to grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, please support them.
Yeah, and thank you, Tyron, for buying us this shout out and this brandy.
And this monster.
Are we gonna listen to it? You
Yeah,
think it's gonna
listen to
crackle,
it.
huh?
Listen to it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, this one is. No, wait,
It's not open yet.
wait.
It's slipped.
Oh, you
Okay,
see.
it was a tough one.
I don't know what's going on with Ulof. We must write them a letter, huh? Just see.
Doesn't matter, just drink it.
Something is wrong with these things.
Just
But
drink
anyway,
it.
I'm gonna gooi 'n lekker skiekie, mama. We're sitting here by the fire
Yeah.
in our
Are we
own
eating ribs tonight because I'm fully cooked?
fully cooked. Yeah, it's hot here. Yeah, we're sitting here in our own braai room. Ooh, mama, is that all right for you?
Oh my word. Stop it.
I want to just top you up a
Stop
little
it,
bit.
I like it.
I'm gonna top me up then. You see now, this is not fair.
Jeez, this is not good. If the night starts like that.
Oh, puppy.
But thank you, we are really going to enjoy
Yeah,
this
you know
one.
what? This is not going to be a long night. You know
Yeah.
me and you.
Yeah.
As soon as we put this camera off, it's going
There's
to be
never
disco
an
lights.
end.
It's going to be disco lights and everything here. Yeah, so I'm very excited.
We are already in the Christmas spirit, as you can see.
Yeah, Mama, you went red tonight, huh?
Yeah, because it's less than a month and it's Christmas.
It's not less than a month. It is actually, it's less than a month, yeah. You're right.
My word.
30th. It's 25 days.
Yeah, that's
Mama,
the thing.
25 days. Here we go.
25, come alive.
Romans Consulting, thank you very much. We really do appreciate all of you guys that do shoutouts, and we hope people will contact you and your business will thrive
And
you
grow.
will and you will help them to let their business thrive. So I say cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers,
On
Mama.
Excellent service.
Tyron and Kelly, this one is on you. Thanks. Oh, hoe sê ek altyd? Klap my hier en klap my daar.
Liewe land,
Ah.
ek het weer doen.
Ooh, look at this, huh?
Christmas carols
This
all
lady is on
over.
the Mama, before we
What?
before we say goodbye to them for this
Yeah,
snippet,
yeah.
Can
I know.
can I say it?
Please.
Can I say it?
Please tell them.
Can you see the glow on this woman's face? we just received our first grandchild. Mama,
Right.
It's a
Zelmay.
small little baby.
Oh.
Zelmay, little girl. I'll show you a picture. And this, you're not a grandma yet, but I can never see you as a grandma. But this woman of mine, she had tears in her eyes and she was so excited. It was just all over.
The best Christmas present ever.
She was born like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Somebody is still in hospital.
She's still in hospital,
Yeah.
but she's doing well.
Yeah.
And yeah, everything is just healthy and we're just so blessed. Huh?
So stay tuned
Yeah.
for another 2 weeks. We're going to show you the next
The
grandchild.
next grand one is coming in 2 weeks' time.
Before Christmas. How amazing is
Mama,
that?
it's gonna be crazy. Cheers. And on with the video. Daar sê mama, hier is ons nou, hè? Cheers. En hier's Andre
Cheers!
en Katinka.
Lekker om hier by julle te wees.
welkom hier in Bonnievale.
Baie dankie.
En ek wil net sê, Andre, ons ken mekaar seker al so wat 'n jaar en 'n half.
Ja,
so 'n jaar en 'n half. Toe
Wanneer
jy daar
was
by my
hy?
karavaan aangekom by die
Ja.
Buitelug Expo, toe gee jy vir die eerste keer 'n braailighters. En ek wil net sê, hierdie man is die pa van braailighters.
Ja,
Hierdie
sê.
soort.
Ah, sy. Ja, dis waar ek al my braailighters vandaan kry is die man. Hy maak hulle self.
Met my eie 2 hande.
Met jou eie 2 hande,
Yes.
ja. En
En-
en hy het 'n goeie, ek wil net sê, hy het 'n goeie deal nou vir ons gegee. Gaan jy vir ons verduidelik?
Yes. Ek het besluit ek gaan hierdie pak firelighters hier agter lê aan.
Nie daai nie, nie daai nie.
Hierdie
Daai
hele
massive pak.
Massive pak.
Ja,
Hierdie
daai
goed raak nou
massive
warm.
pak.
Ons moet nou vinnig praat. Ek gaan nou aan die brandsteekies.
Daai grootte, sien julle daai
Hierdie
grootte.
pak
Ja.
firelighters, hierdie
Hoeveel
pak
is daar,
braailighters, hier's 24 eenhede in, gaan ek gee vir die ou wat die hot tub wen.
Wow.
So as jy die hot tub wen, dan kry jy hierdie pak firelighters. Daar's 72 keer se aansteek in jou hot tub.
So jou
in hierdie
jou
braailighters.
eerste 72 keer se aansteek is gratis.
Is gratis.
Dankie Andre.
Steek
Well done.
aan, doen wat Keith sê, koop jou kaartjie en koop jou wyn
Subscribe
en subscribe
Ja.
en doen alles wat jy kan, want daai hot tub moet jy wen om hierdie pak firelighters te wen.
Yes, dis 'n goeie een. Baie
Ek
baie
dink
dankie.
jy gaan daar
Ja,
gaan
dis
jy
great.
nou baie
Dis great.
inskrywings kry.
Ja.
Nou ja, toe,
En
go
julle-
for it.
en julle-
Cheers.
Dankie Andre.
En julle kan die
Cheers.
firelighters koop ook. Die braailighters kan julle
Cheers.
koop op ons webwerf, né?
Ja,
Daar sê
koop die-
cheers.
Koop die lighters en gaan koop dit by Hektiek
Biltong
in die strand.
Daar sê.
Daar kan jy dit koop. Ek is naby die fabriek, is nie ver nie. So koop die plek leeg en ek sal aanhou om hulle te verskaf. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sê, geniet dit. Lekker man.
lekker.
Cheers. Lekker hier weer. Julle. Dankie vir die uitnodiging.
Jeez, it's so nice to have friendship, but just look at all this food. My goodness, huh? We are gonna eat ourselves to a standstill again. Phew, that's the way we camp, huh? We glamp. Whew, nice. Lekker man.
Black pepper.
Woe, papi, hier's moeilikheid. Kyk, jy het jy al ooit 'n shot uit 'n koppie uitgedrink, hè?
Nou gaan ons koffie drink. Hulle sê dit so af en toe 'n bietjie koffie ingooi en net bietjie vervang met 'n koffietjie.
Ja, maar dit
Dan gaan
gebeur
ons
wanneer
begin.
dit gebeur wanneer daar nie shotglase is, dan
Ja.
doen ons dit in koppies uit.
En dan begin ons weer van
Lekker
voor af.
kyk, dis Jackie, so dit is 'n oestertjie.
En 'n black pepper.
Black peppertjie
Ons.
met 'n woestersousie.
Jette.
Nee, ek het klaar ingegooi.
Goeie ingegooi.
En die chili is in.
Is dit ook
Ja,
in?
ja, so ons moet hom nog net sluk.
Nou, goed, skiep die mama's op.
Okay, skief vir die mamas.
Engel.
Daar sien julle.
Allee.
'n Lekker oestertjie. Hulle noem hom baie keer 'n kapoestertjie. Ja, uit 'n koppie uit. Hier gaan hy. Cheers.
Woe!
Vier slukke.
Ja, hy's baie, né?
Woestersous elke ding.
Hy's baie in.
Baie
Baie lekker. Jessie.
Oh man.
Oh,
My
Ek het al 'n
brand
slukkie
nou.
oor.
as jy nie lus vir nog enetjie nie.
Laat.
Ek is nou skielik lus vir nog enetjie.
Ek kan nie 'n fout maak.
Kyk, gelukkig weet ek julle is nie bang mense nie.
Nog enetjie.
Ja.
Nog enetjie.
Mamma, hierdie is baie. It was too much. It was too much, hè?
Gelukkig,
Ja.
gelukkig het jy die woestersous met die steekie ingebring.
Jessie. Sure, I just want to show you the lights here. Just look at the lights here in this camp. It's so festive. Huh? It looks like Christmas here. It's very, very nice. Yo. Huh. Beautiful. We're having a great time. We've got some hors d'oeuvres on the fire. I'm drying us some skilpaadjies. And we've the skilpaadjies might be ready. Yeah, almost ready. I think they're almost there. And we've got some lekker wildswors, some game sausage. And the girls are just chatting away. Good morning, good morning. Just look at this. This is the way the campers do it. In the morning when you wake up, you haven't even had your coffee yet. And they're busy making a fire. Look at that. Huh? That is so cool. It's a man so na my hart. I like it. And they camp just next to us here. Like a setup they've got here. Very nice. Andre is 'n man so na my hart, hè? Môre. Môre. Yes, ja. Is dit hoe julle kampeerders dit doen?
Ja, kyk, daar moet iets met die hout gebeur want wrag nie.
Jy kan dit nie saam van huis toe nie.
Nee, dit is groot. Ja, nie groot word uit dit.
Ek love it, ek love it.
Ja, maar dit kan net werk.
Ons moet nou eintlik 'n koffietjie sommer so op die vuur maak, hè? Het jy 'n keteltjie wat ons hier kan opsit?
Ja, ek gaan 'n plan maak. Ek seker daar's 'n
Ek dink ons moet dit doen. Dan maak ons of 'n potjie en sit ons sommer op die vuur en maak ons warm water sommer net hierso.
lekker. Slaap mamma nog.
Mamma's op haar foon, sy lê sommer 'n bietjie in die bed. Maar ons het dit lekker gekuier gisterand, hè?
Dit was great.
Dit was baie lekker.
Dit was een van die lekker.
Ja.
Regtig waar.
Tot die wyntjie opgekom het. Maar ons het dan seker net so voor 12 gaan lê.
Absoluut.
Ja.
Dit is so onbeplan.
Dis lekker, ja.
Dis dit werk. Dit is altyd lekker dit is so onbeplande braaitjie.
Ek moet sê jy gaan my convert om 'n camper te word.
Jy is die probleem nie.
Ja, die ander een is.
Maar ek kan wel 'n uitdaging.
Dis reg.
Nou kon dit. Jy moet net een keer om te dan se in die ding in.
Okay, while the girls are titivating, let me show you this amazing Ford Everest car. I'll show you inside. It's quite amazing. It's got all the bells and whistles that you want in a car. Just look at this big screen. That is just, I must actually, look at that. There's a screen there. And there's a screen here. I must actually start it for you so that you can see the screen. Just yesterday when we came through, just the fact that the navigation card is the whole screen full. It is so comfortable, it's so nice. I think it's a bit dark now, so it's got the dark setting on. But yesterday it was white. But look at this, all leathers. Very, very nice. It's got all the bells and whistles, as I said. It's got lane assist and you name it. It's also got one of these handbrakes that it's just a button that you push. It's quite nice. I know a lot of cars have got them these days. It's got a cell phone charger there. You just put your phone down there and you charge your phone. I've never seen door handles like this. Normally they sit here and you just pull them. This one is inside the handset there, and you just push it like that. It's quite cool. All electronic. Just look at this big boot. It's got 7 seats, but when you fold the back seats flat, it's actually a huge boot. Look at that. It is amazing. Yo, it's really like a bakkie. Very cool car. I'm quite impressed. Well done, Ford. I'm very impressed. Very, very nice. We're having some pre-drinks and some breakfast here by Van Loferen. Just look at how beautiful these gardens are. It is so beautiful here. Yeah. All the trees and the greeneries and it's just ridiculous. I must say van Louvren, well done. It is really stunning here. And the food is ready, huh? Daar's hy julle.
Lekker man.
Lekker. Ooh, mama Benedict's. Huh?
Ja, cheers.
Ooh, cheers.
Kyk daai lekker groot ding.
Ek wil ook cheers. Cheers julle.
Cheers.
Lekker hier by julle. Daar's hy. Daar's hy. Ek het jou.
Begin van baie wyn.
Ooh, lekker. Geniet dit. Hier in die tuin.
Ja.
Daar's hy my love, come. Are you ready for lots of wine, huh?
Bubblies.
Bubblies. And we parked in the board here, you see? Lekker. Now it's just a long
The long walk to freedom.
long walk to freedom, ja. Viljoensdrif, papi. Mama, you blend in nicely, huh? Look at all the red roses.
Red roses.
Staan al, laat ek sien. Huh?
Ja, maar dan lyk ek soos 'n rooibos tee.
Ja, you blend in perfectly, huh? Mooi. Dan lyk jy soos 'n rooibos tee, wat?
Ja. Hallo.
Okay.
Mama, did you pay for that big ticket? Huh? Did you pay for that ticket?
2 Saturdays.
Saturdays. Thank you. Look at the umbrellas, huh? You see, it feels like we're in a different country.
Country, ja.
Wow.
Look at that photo booth.
Very nice.
All the photo booths. Oh,
Wow.
nice.
It's cool, man.
Hey.
Huh? Hey.
Stop and smell the roses.
you actually fit there, huh?
Yeah.
The pink and the red together. It doesn't normally go
Not
together,
mixed.
but this time it works.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie.
Met 'n glasie breek, moet jy net terugkom en R50 betaal vir die weer.
Regtig?
Maar as hy vol is, dan hoef hom nie meer te betaal.
Dankie.
Ooh, samosas, my love. Samosas. I'm gonna have to buy a samosa today. Not just one,
But
5.
later, hè?
And some biltong. Ooh, lekker billies. Kyk hy lekker vet. Ooh. Oh. En
Hier is die pizzas.
Daar voor pizza. Dis dieselfde plek.
Dis hulle wat
Ja.
so lekker pizzas maak.
voor pizza. Hulle pizzas is fantasties, hoor.
Bys.
Baie nice.
lekker.
Viljoensdrif. Daar is die tent. Ja.
Sjoe, dit lyk mooi as ek so kyk. Lyk byna in swamas.
Shawarma.
Hoekom kyk
Dan
ons
kan
by
jy
die
lekker
kos
shawarma
asof
koop.
ons nou honger is?
Ja.
Hè?
Wow.
Kyk wie staan daar.
Kyk, hier is Beksok.
Hallo.
Hier is Beksok.
Hallo.
Hallo.
How fine and you? Back to
You-
your old festival.
Hard at work again, huh?
Yeah. It's still new. It will pick up, I think.
Jeez, look at
Yeah.
these breads.
No, not. Yeah. And now it was a bit rainy this morning.
Wow, my love, look at this. Wow, this is beautiful,
Very
huh?
nice. Very nice.
Yes. This is so nice.
Quite a nice vibe inside.
Yeah, it makes me really feel like drinking wine.
I want some of that. Mascarpone.
Bubbly. Oh, maar nie al die alles wil ek hê nie.
Gelukkig kan ons net ons eie eet.
Wat? Alai.
Asai.
Baie dankie.
Ons sien julle later weer.
Baie dankie.
Asai. Sit sommer daarin.
Wil jy gou een neem hierso?
Cheers. Wat wil jy gesê het? Wil jy saam
Okay.
'n foto?
Jy kan kyk jy goed op YouTube die hele tyd.
Oh, baie dankie, baie dankie.
Kan ons
Ek het dit herken.
Die val hier byna vandag. Wai. Hy val diep. Heerlik. As hy lekker, ons gaan op die cruise. Ons kry snacks vir die tyd, platters. Ons het bubblies. Beste diens net hier by Viljoensdrift. Lekker op die boot, papi. O, is hierdie kant op. Ja, lekker is hierdie kaasie. Ons bo sit. Daar is hy, en jy die captain. Daar is hy. Baie dankie, baie dankie. Dit gaan nou lekker wees. Nog nooit het iemand 'n private cruise hier gehad nie, hè? Ja.
So dan voel ek beter.
Oh, hulle gaan maar lekker kaasies geëet daar.
Wow.
Champers op die water. Julle weet julle waar julle is?
Nee, cooking clue.
Hè? In die mooiste land in die wêreld.
When have you ever
When have you
taken a private boat tour in
Huh?
van Jules
Wow,
Viljoensdrift?
just look at this. Oh my word. Dit is so nice. Kyk hierso. Jo, dis mooi. Die water is so kalm, hè? Ja. Dit is nou 'n goeie
Wat sê hulle
afsluiting van 'n
altyd?
lekker dag.
Dis seker 'n Ford engineer want hy's doodstil.
Wat sê hulle altyd die een wat die lekkerste, die
laaste
laaste
lag,
lag die
lag die
lekkerste.
lekkerste.
Ja, is hy ons.
Ja.
Dis 'n special cruise.
Gaan ons hom pop, mamma? Gaan ons hom pop?
pop.
Wil jy hom pop?
Nee.
Pop, pop. Ek sal hom pop. Hou vas, ja. Jy gaan hy. Jy gaan hy.
Jy mag hom mors nie.
Oh,
Nee, kom hy.
Jou.
in die water.
O, wag, hier's nog mense.
Oh.
Oh, dis toe nie 'n private cruise nie.
Okay, dit was vir 'n rukkie, jy hoef nie daai af te neem nie.
Kom maar, laat gaan onder sit. Ons sit bo.
Ons het hierdie
Ons
Ooh, hy gaan vis
ons
vang.
is private bo.
Hy gaan vis vang.
Kom, julle is laat, julle moet kom.
Duik en swem en kom.
kan hom op jou gooi so. Wat
Ja, dankie, ja, dankie.
Dieselfde.
Ja, gooi maar.
Nee, is hier dieselfde nie,
Maar
maar
dit
dis
dit
fyn.
maak dieselfde.
Van wanneer af het jy lipstick aan?
My leuk, jy drink uit almal se glase uit.
Nee.
Jy drink uit almal se glase uit.
Cheers to that.
Yes.
Waar is hy? Cheers.
Lekker man.
Lekker op die
vir
boot saam met julle.
kindertjies op,
Oei, daai is 'n leeg glas.
Het jy
Ja,
nie
kom
lipstick
my.
organise nie?
Cheers.
Ja, ons het georganiseer.
Cheers. In
Cheers.
die oë, in die oë. Hier kom nog mense. Nee, want ons gaan nou lekker hier toe.
Dis 'n
Ons trip hier raak nou van 50 minute na 1 uur en 10 minute. Mamma, jy moet mooi stuur, jy moet mooi stuur. Hæ? Hou die boot in die water, nie op die land nie.
kappe eet.
Sê daai ou swipe hom, wat?
Ja, wag, wat sy woorde wat hy gesê het? Skuif hom.
Skuif hom, ja.
Skuif hom.
Skuif hom. Ah, dis beautiful, julle.
100.
Ja.
Dis nou die tipes wat nie vanaand braai nie.
Stunning. En ons het hallo. En ons het 'n hele
Cheers.
ek moet net sê ons het 'n hele jong groep hier onder.
Ons is rustig hier onder.
Daar's hy, cheers.
Met onze vrouwvrouw.
In die oë.
Kom op met drank.
Ek drink.
Cheers, Danny.
Cheers.
Mamma, jy moet drink.
Lekker groot sluk.
Daar's hy, waar is die musiek? Hæ?
Daar's hy. Gooi hom.
Pump it up.
Haai?
Pump it up.
Is ons nie luid genoeg nie? O,
Speaker.
die speaker, waar is die musiek? Speel hom. O, nee, daai gaan nie werk nie.
Oh.
Hey. Ja, hulle moet eintlik, ja, dit sal baie nice wees.
Net 'n gewone hy.
Ek dink hulle is bang ons jag die eentjies weg.
Ek kan ry 'n bakkie op die water.
Ja,
Jij zegt pocket toe uit de
hy sit Toyota.
Is hy net 'n bakkie
Dis
nie?
'n Hilux.
Hy kan dit nie.
Hij is het gaan onderboven.
Ja, is nou beautiful, hè? Yes. Swem, dit klink lekker.
Fyn.
Nou het hulle klaar gesing, nou is hulle stil.
Feitlik ordentlik, as eintlik feitlik ordentlik gelowig. Feitlik ordentlik.
Maar kyk jy daar agter jou, mooi is dit daar agter jou, hè?
Ek het my baard meer
Ja, dis mooi, hè?
Mooi.
Dis
Cheers
baie
to
mooi.
you.
Cheers. Lekker.
Sy wen alles.
Is jy die verjaarsdag girl? Verjaar jy vandag?
Nee, maandag.
Maandag. Wow. Happy birthday vir maandag. Hoe oud is jy dan? 21?
Kan nie weggee nie.
Wat is 30? Ja, ons bly ook 21.
Oh, jy gaan nou op
Ons is al-
YouTube kom.
Ons is al
Almal gaan
ons is al
weet.
55, maar ons bly 21. Ja.
Ja, forever young.
Even young.
In my head, I was invited. I get excited when nobody knows me. In my head, you're on the outside. I'm better when I shine. The crystals inside me. In my head. In my head, you're on the outside. I'm better when I shine. The crystals inside me. In my head.
Morning, morning. Morning. What a wonderful weekend, eh? Yo, it was so nice. And the wine was
Very nice.
extraordinary. It was so nice.
We had a lot.
We had a lot of
And a
wine.
lot of different ones.
Yeah, a lot of wine. There was
Yeah.
18 different wine cellars,
Cellars, yeah.
and we tried to get to them all.
Yeah, I
We
think
almost succeeded.
almost.
But it was a very nice weekend. Our friends just left. Spot is empty. We're gonna have a breakfast along the way back home. So yeah, you guys must remember the draw for the hot tub is still on for the next 5 days.
Yes.
Friday the 5th,
Yeah.
we're gonna do the draw.
And remember, you get a whole 24-pack braai lighters with it.
Yes,
Yeah.
the winner will. It's a big prize, huh? So now the price is just more than 26,000. But okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was something different this week. But we will definitely see you on the next one.
Yes.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.